Let's get you a big news break coming in from Karnataka after India Today's reportage on the VVIP perks being given to murder-accused actor Darshan. The confirmation coming in here on India Today that Darshan will be shifted out of Bengaluru. He will be shifted out of Parappana Agrahara and will be taken instead to the Bellary prison. And we told you here on India Today that Darshan will be moved out of Bengaluru, and I told you that he will be taken to Bellary. The confirmation coming in from the government now that they are taking this step. Anaga Keshav joining us live with more details on this. Anaga, as we've broken here on India Today, the government has confirmed that Darshan now will be shifted out of Bengaluru, will be taken to Bellary jail, and I'm sure with a whole lot of scrutiny to ensure the kind of perks that he enjoyed at the Parappana Agrahara isn't the case in Bellary.
Well, absolutely right, Akshita. Along with Darshan, the other accused persons also mentioned in the FIR, including the most wanted gangster, Wilson Garden Naga, along with Darshan's manager, and the other gangster who was also spotted along with them having a tea party. All the other accused, they are also to be transferred to other jails is what we are hearing. Of course, Darshan, who is one of the accused in that FIR, will be shifted to a high security cell with high CCTV deployment to ensure that such instances where, he's being given VVIP treatment just because he holds a position of power does not repeat again is what we are hearing. Apart from that, even here in Parappana Agrahara jail and in Bellary prison, most importantly, manpower and CCTV deployment will be beefed up to ensure that every single movement of Darshan will be tracked, because he will be placed in high security cell from now onwards. We need to wait and watch if really Darshan will be treated like other prisoners. Will he be treated like others who are also in judicial custody, or what's the scene going to be like in Bellary prison is something to be wait and watched out for. But for now, the other accused are also to be shifted to other jails across Bangalore and out of Bangalore is what we are hearing.
All right, Anaga getting us all of those details and telling us here on India Today that not just Darshan, all the other rowdy sheeters, murder accused that you see there enjoying with Darshan, they too will now face action. They too will be shifted out of Parappana Agrahara. Much needed cleanup. Hopefully these kind of images won't be repeated again. Not the first time we've seen it in the Bengaluru Central Prison, which is why we will continue to keep the glare on what kind of steps the Karnataka government does to actually clean up the rot in the Bangalore Central Prison.